In this video I want to remind you about Adobe Summit 2019 that will be held in the end of March in Las Vegas. And if you still hesitate whether to go there or not, I advise you to make a decision as soon as possible, since up to December 15 you have an option for early bird price, which is $1,500, and you can additionally save $200 if you qualify for one of these groups, government, educational, non-profit organizations. And at the end of this video I will share with you another promo code that you can use to save $200 if you are not qualify for either of these groups. So if you register before December 15 or before December 16th, then your price will be $1,300 for this great event. And now I wanted to share with you my personal preferences as to which sessions I would love to attend. I have filtered all the sessions by Adobe Analytics product, and let's have a look what we have in the list. About 40 different sessions. Session about Adobe Analytics and Adobe Audience Manager. If you have only one of these solutions but you have a plan to buy another one, or if you have both solutions but your Audience Manager implementation hasn't been upgraded to the latest server-side forwarding, I really advise you to go to these sessions, because you will get to know not only about how these solutions exchange the data, but also how you can do the analysis of Audience Manager segments in Adobe Analytics, how this works, how you can manage the data. Then same for Analytics and Target. I presume if you have both solutions right now, you already have A4T or Analytics for Target integration. If you have only one of these solutions but consider another one next year, then again go to these sessions, because there you will get to know how to leverage analytics data in Target, how to do a more complicated analysis of Target results in Analytics, again how the data is exchanged between these two solutions. Should be very helpful. Then this session looks pretty much the same. Then data analysis in Analysis Workspace. This is basically what I shared with you a lot. And if you want to practice more, go there. This is a pre-conference training. Should be very helpful. Then if you are interested in data science and you have experience with R, it may be interesting for you to go to this session and get to know many tips and tricks how to pull the data from Adobe Analytics and do the analysis in R. Analytics Rockstars. This is one of the sessions which is I always attend. It's a really good session to get a lot of tips and tricks from real practitioners, and this is really one of the most favorite sessions every summit. If you like Excel, Microsoft Excel, and you haven't heard about Report Builder, which is an extension for Microsoft Excel, or you have little experience and knowledge with that extension or plugin, this session will help you to get some skills with Report Builder. So if you are a developer or you are an architect, it makes sense to go to this session about the best API in use, because the new API version is going to be explained. And if this is something that you want to either just better understand for your architecture designs, or you want practically develop something to retrieve the data from analytics, this is really helpful to go to this lab session and get real practical skills and knowledge. How to switch to Adobe Analytics? So again, if you are considering a transition from your existing current Web Analytics solution to Adobe Analytics next year, this really, I think, makes sense to listen to the speaker, to their experiences, and also ask your specific questions so that the transition will be as smooth as possible. Analytics and Power BI. As you know, there is an integration between these two solutions already, and if you want to get a little bit more practice with Power BI, since this is a lab session, it makes sense to go there and practice. Moving beyond last touch, so attribution is always interesting, and I think that since again this is a lab session, it makes sense to go there and get some practical skills. You will be provided with a demo environment where you can access attribution IQ capability within Analysis Workspace. This is probably especially interesting for those who have access to Adobe Analytics, but the license is not the one that enable you access to attribution IQ. And by going to this lab, you will know how this works and maybe afterwards decide to extend your license. Machine learning and everything which is around artificial intelligence is always interesting. So probably this is also an interesting session to get to know what exactly can be achieved with artificial intelligence. Finally, experience the future of Adobe Analytics. If you want to know what will be probably in the next releases, this is something that you want to go to. So now about the promo code that I promised to share with you. The promo code is in the comments under this video. You can apply it during the registration and you will save $200. Thank you for watching and see you on Summit. Bye.